Is Alexa refusing to play your Amazon Music Unlimited, claiming you don't have a subscription? This frustrating issue affects many users, but there are several quick fixes you can try. This problem often occurs because Alexa misidentifies your music source as Amazon Prime Music or Amazon Music Free, even when you have an active, unlimited subscription. First, ensure the Amazon account linked to Alexa is the same one with your active Amazon Music Unlimited subscription. Account mismatches are the most common cause of this issue. Next, open the Alexa app and verify that Amazon Music is set as your default music service. This ensures Alexa knows which service to use when you request music. A simple restart of your Echo device can resolve temporary glitches. Unplug the device for 10 seconds, then plug it back in and wait for it to fully restart. Ensure both the Alexa and Amazon Music apps are updated to their latest versions. Outdated apps can cause compatibility issues with music playback. For single device plans, confirm you're using the specific Echo device used for sign-up. If issues persist, try deregistering and re-registering your Echo device or contact Amazon customer service for direct assistance. When basic fixes don't resolve your Amazon Music Unlimited issues, it's time for advanced troubleshooting. If you have multiple Amazon accounts linked to your Alexa device, this could be the root cause of your problems. Use voice commands like Alexa, switch user, or Alexa, switch profile to select the account that has your active Amazon Music Unlimited subscription. Next, verify that the Amazon Music skill is properly enabled in your Alexa app. This skill is essential for Alexa to access your music subscription. Navigate to More, then Settings, then Music and Podcasts in your Alexa app to ensure Amazon Music is linked and set as your default service. If you encounter playback errors like, I'm having issues playing that right now, try casting music directly from the Amazon Music app on your phone or tablet to your Echo device. Be aware that software updates to either the Alexa or Amazon Music app can sometimes trigger these issues. Keep track of recent updates if problems suddenly appear. If you've recently upgraded to Amazon Music Unlimited, your Echo device might default to playing only playlists instead of specific songs. Try requesting songs directly by name and artist. Remember, you cannot cancel your Amazon Music Unlimited subscription through Alexa voice commands. You must use the Amazon website or Amazon Music app to manage your subscription. If you're still experiencing issues after trying these advanced troubleshooting steps, contacting Amazon customer support is your best option for personalized assistance.